Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hearing enhancement for ambient sound for your earbuds Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. If you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. And right here, we need to firstly put your earbuds to your ears and then activate ambient sound if you want to enable this feature. So click the ambient sound, and after that you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. Now scroll down again just a bit and you need to find accessibility. Tap at this line, and right here at the last line we have it. So to enable it, just click one time on it. If this slider have empty background, we just enable it. And to disable, you need to also tap one time at this slider. Now I said that we need to enable ambient sound, of course, because right now I turn off my I remove my earbuds from the ears, and now I use normal mode. And if I'm trying to enable this mode, I cannot. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!